you're about to see at home.
We're what you call experts.
The first myth we will be discussing is how tall the Tyrannosaurus Rex really was. The quote says that it towered 30 feet above half of the trees.
Wrong! It actually towered about 20 feet tall, not 30 feet.
Myth busted! The next myth we shall talk about is how bad its breath smelled. The quote says, it exhaled the stink of raw flesh, blew throughout the wilderness.
Confirmed! Actually, little known fact, dinosaurs did not brush their teeth, so their breath really did smell.
This myth is confirmed.
What we're talking about is the one about their teeth. Ray Bradbury said they had teeth like daggers.
This is true. Their teeth were designed to rip meat, so they looked like little daggers. This myth is confirmed. Roar! Now for the next myth. Where'd Tori go? Tori, get over here. Where were you?
Just got chased by a T-Rex and he ripped off my beard.
Oh, hey, did you notice how big his eyes were? Were they the size of ostrich eggs, like Ray Bradbury said?
No, actually they were about the size of softballs.
Well, that myth is
It's
busted.
busted.